How did there get to be so many different types of rocks in the world? Well, one reason is chemical weathering. Today you will learn about two of the three types of chemical weathering and then do a science investigation. What is chemical weathering? If you look closely at any rock collection, you will see rocks of all different colors, shapes, and sizes. This is because of weathering, when rocks are broken down. Chemical weathering uses chemicals to change rocks. Chemical weathering happens mainly in the top layer of rocks and in hot, humid areas. It takes many years to see the results of chemical weathering. Carbonation. Have you ever felt tiny little bubbles popping on your nose when you take a drink of soda? You are feeling and hearing carbon dioxide being released. Carbon dioxide and other chemicals are also released into our atmosphere because of pollution from cars and factories. This result is something called acid rain. Acid rain falls to the earth when it rains, and it can affect rock. Carbonation can change rocks in many ways. This rock is changed when it became a cave or even a sinkhole. A second way chemical weathering occurs is oxidation. Have you ever left your bike or metal toy outside for a few weeks? Did you notice that some of the metal parts turned red or rusty? If you leave it outside for a very long time, it may even start to break down. This happens because that metal was exposed to an element we need to survive: oxygen. Isn't it interesting that something so valuable to us can also be so destructive to something else? Oxidation in rocks happen when they are exposed to oxygen. These rocks change to that red or rust color because of the oxygen that changes the chemical makeup of the rock. The most common example is rocks containing iron. If you ever see a rust colored rock, it has been oxidized. Oxidation caused this rock to turn red.